Hello, my name is Anthony Altman and I live in Israel, and I'm going to talk to you about this functional healing appliance that I received from Dr. Gorbonos. I received this appliance in January of 2014, and I began to wear it about 15 to 20 hours a day. Within the first few weeks, the physiological effects were very dramatic. I was suffering from snoring, sleep apnea, and I had some physical conditions where my hips were hypermobile and my bone structure, also vertebrae, were moved too easily. My muscles were subject to spasms and they were out of balance. Within the first few weeks, I noticed some very, very dramatic changes. First of all, the snoring reduced to nothing, the sleep apnea disappeared, and I began to experience differences in my hips, my back and my neck. This is really remarkable because the hips, one would think, I did not think, had anything to do with my face, my jaw, and yet my muscles were improving in health, and the physical, the structure of my hips were becoming more balanced. And I also noticed that there was a great deal of improvement overall in my physical well-being. It seems that when I was born 68 years ago, I was a forceps delivery, and this may well have caused some imbalance in my jaw, which seems to have affected my body. Overall, I would say that this is one of the most dramatic and the most effective healing tools I have ever experienced. I feel that different people will have different results, but overall, I am extremely happy and the results continue. I feel that I'm using the appliance a little less. At the moment, I'm using it at night only because I wish to listen to what my body is saying. Thank you.